Do you want to visualize your checklist with progress bars? You want to see progress completion rate in percentage? Within the next 1 minute, we are going to see that. Let's learn how to create a percentage completion and a progress bar when we tick off items in our task list. We have tasks and subtasks, and we want to see overall progress or completion percentage of this task based on number of items ticked off. Let's insert the formula in C2. That is equals to count if open parenthesis C3 to C5 comma true close parenthesis and then divided by count of open parenthesis C3 to C5 close parenthesis and press enter. In D2, let's create a progress bar with sparkline function. Let's insert the formula. That is equals to sparkline open parenthesis C2 comma curly bracket, then in double quotes chart type comma in double quotes bar semicolon in double quotes color 1 comma in double quotes green semicolon in double quotes max comma 1 represents 100% here, then curly bracket close parenthesis and press enter. Copy these both formulas and paste in other cells. Now whenever we tick off some subtasks, we can see the percentage as well as the progress bar. To see the formula and get the practice sheet, check out comments. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.